Porsche 914 pulling out. We got the PT Cruiser over there. Blue Moon Cruisers are driving. This is Pam. Oh. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Spring Carlisle collector car auction. Watching some of the cars drive off. Gets interesting. I'm going to keep it on import for a little bit because I want to check out this MGA. This is a 62 MGA. So it's the Mark II, of course, because 62, nice wire wheels, decent little car.
Coming right down the hill with it.
Restored pretty good. These are tough ones to restore. Getting everything straight and narrow. Last year of the MGA, of course, including spare factory toolkit, side curtains, white wall bias tires with car, battery kill switch, Birch wheel wrench for ear knockoff. Good, you need that. Upgrade spin-off oil filter, very good. New maintenance and the whole bit. Over $23,000 in receipts, locally owned for last 30 some odd years. Very pretty. These sides are so slab sides, it's really tough to make sure that those are absolutely perfect. But just a very nice, honest car. Again, you know, you look at this stuff, it's great. I mean, if you can, MGAs are up and coming. They're really quite a nice car, great investment. You're seeing fewer and fewer on the roads, or at the shows, I should say. Oh. What are we tying up? The Cruiser over there, Land Cruiser?
It's going to pop it in second gear, right? Yeah. So if I go down the ramp, they push it down the ramp. If I put it in second gear, they pop off, right? Hopefully. All right.
Is that diesel or gas?
Diesel.
Good luck.
Something's equal here.
I don't know if you could pop a diesel.
Let's go to the left and go out that way. Okay.
Hopefully he's got enough battery power. Yeah, these Land Cruiser diesels are very, very interesting. They don't have a top speed because they're geared so low because they are pure work trucks. People love them until they start driving them. But you want something really cool? Get into this. Good luck, you need more speed than that. I want to follow this because I want to see a diesel pop, especially this girl. There she goes. Almost. Come on, you can do it, girl. There she is. Up. Oh, sleepy British. That's great. That is great. Oh, pretty little vet here. It's about 70. Oh no, newer. 72, 73. Yeah, rubber bumper up front. Okay, what do we have? 350, of course. T-tops, the whole bit. We'll see what it goes for. I like the Mako Shark fenders. Really pretty cool. These are bargains on the for Corvettes. Really well worth it. I like this Jeep. That's a convertible. Mount Airy Volunteer Fire Department. This is a 88, excuse me. Wait a minute, I can't even see there. 68, I thought so, okay. V8. Another 73 Vet. Oh, let's keep with the imports. Let's go over to the Jaguar over here. XJS convertible, 35,000 miles on it. European headlights. This is a 94. Does not have the wipers or the washers. It's been painted and worked on, looks like. I might be wrong. The hood, yeah, the hood is just open. Okay. Let's see how the interior looks. Yeah, she's aged there. It's got that Jaguar smell in it. I love all the wood. These cars were so expensive when new. Of course, it's got the V12 under the hood. And these are special in a drop top. Well, let's end it over here, folks. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com with 2019 Spring Carlisle Auction. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.